So before we start doing the unboxing for the Finalmouse, I do want to make an announcement. Unfortunately, you're kind of wondering why it took me a while to do a review of the Lamzu Thorn 4K. Well, I had issues when I was playing Warzone, even Call of Duty multiplayer, Apex, even Tarkov, that I could not run this thing at 4K. I was really having really bad performance issues. And my system is a 7900X3D. So it should not be any issues at all. It's supposed to be running perfectly smooth. So I started doing troubleshooting. First things first, I tried out a different mouse. And then I went to, just to try out, I went to Best Buy, purchased a Cobra just to try out, put at 4,000, same problems. So then I started trying out another computer. Then it works perfectly fine. This mouse works perfectly fine. The processor works perfectly fine. No issues at all. It was running smooth. So I thought it could be a motherboard issue, a processor issue. I even swapped out. Lucky enough, my brother, who didn't live around here, lucky enough to let me try his 7900X3D, not X3D, non-X3D, and it was still giving me issues. So then I tried on his computer, works perfectly fine. That's why I said earlier that other computer was my Buzz computer. No issues. So I tried with the 7800X3D, put on his motherboard, no issues. So I already knew it was a motherboard issue. So I wind up going with an ASUS motherboard, the Taichi X670E. It shut off me 2 times. One of them almost crapped myself because I had to return an assignment for my college. So lucky enough, it was still 2 hours, but I couldn't imagine. It was like almost like 10 minutes or 20 minutes left. Oof, my God, I would have a heart attack if that happened. So I had to go to another micro center not nearby me. It was a commute and a half. And I went all the way to Long Island, got the MSI motherboard, problem solved, no issues. So now I am going to do the review, but that's going to be coming out as soon. Probably like in spring break is going to be released. I just want to make sure everything looks good. So now let's do the unboxing of the Finalmouse, shall we? So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Voila, the Finalmouse, Phantom Tiger. I got the big version of this mouse. I did have the original Finalmouse, but I didn't like it. It didn't fit. It's very too small for me. So I wind up getting this. I ordered it from last year. Now I finally got it. Whoo, ultralight baby. So let's do the unboxing. And I thought about I got it to open. So the weight of this thing weighs about 37 grams, the lightest mouse I ever been so far. Whoo! Holy shit! This shit looks sick. Oh my God! I just don't want to break this thing down. This fucker doesn't want to come out. Look how light this thing is. First things first. Let's see how good are the clicks. Ooh, okay. No flux, no creak. Ooh, ho ho! This thing fits perfect for a palm grip. So this is the Tiger version. Weighs about 37 grams. Now I didn't jump on and got the first batch, even though there were other YouTubers who do mouse reviews saying that they have issues with creaks, and also at the bottom of the mouse as well that the battery will come off. So thank God I don't have issues with that mouse yet, but this thing feels really good in the hands. Now the shape, it is after the shape is from, they use the Air 50, which I never had that mouse before, but this thing feels perfect. I feel like the hump right there supports up my hand with no issues. Ooh, it is super light. Now there's no DPI button on this mouse, just an on and on switch. And this is the first time that I've seen a peripheral company like Finalmouse uses software on web browser, which I believe that's going to be the future, which is awesome because that's one less headache you have to deal with. Now you can go up to 8K hertz on wireless mode. So I believe you can go up to 2000 hertz, 4000 hertz, and 8K. That's going to be ridiculous. And that's good. You got the wireless receiver. And I like this little logo right here that you could change. It's not RGB. You can even change it white or give you the static indication of your battery life, which is awesome. Which that's one issue that I have with the Lamzu, which I'll explain that in the review. And it comes with USB Type A to USB Type C. Nice power cord. What else? It comes in the box. If you don't like the holes, you do have these grips for the sides. And finally, the user manual. Nice. So let's plug this baby back. Stand by. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when it lights up. So I got the mouse plugged in, ready to go. I really love this a lot. It tells you the indication of your battery. I'm gonna show you guys how the software looks. So you see, you got overview. DPI, you're limited between 400, 800, 1600, 3200, or 6400. Polling rate, you can go up to 4000. But I think in the future, it's under testing, it's gonna go up to 8K. You can adjust your lift-off distance, your motion sync, your LED dongle. Unfortunately, you cannot adjust the RGB. You wanna go white, or you can have it off, or the way I have it right in the middle, battery life, battery level indication, and then of course firmware is up to date. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you liked this unboxing. Any questions you guys want to ask me, you can ask them down in the comment section. Until then, I am signing off. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. If you're in college, enjoy your spring break. Just depends which one you're at, your student community. But anyway, I am signing off. Goodbye.